yeah, when that weather starts breaking, my wallet just whispers in my ear saying, spin me, swipe, swipe, please, please, you need this, you need that, you need this, you need that. And then also it is the season of sales. Everyone knows like that spring, early summer sale is happening right now on like majority of all stores. So I do have a bit of a luxury haul to show you guys. So if you want to see everything I got, keep watching. Hey guys, it's your girl Liana. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Liana. I post new videos every single week. Go watch some older videos so we can get a little bit more familiar with each other and we can get better well acquainted. You're gonna end up loving it here, so smash that subscribe button. But if you are one of my returning subscribers, welcome back, girl. So yes, we do have quite a bit of luxury items to get through today. I do have here a combination of all things: handbags, shoes, clothing, swimwear, all the things, a little bit of everything, a little bit of everything. But first, can we talk about my shirt? J'adore Dior. And I didn't get her from Christian Dior. I got this shirt on Ego Shoes. I have been wanting this shirt for a little bit. I have the black and red one that I wore in a previous video, but I saw that they have a lot of colors and I was like, I'm going to have every color. They're cute. They're really, really cute. I know that Christian Dior actually makes this shirt just like pretty similar vibes to this, but those are, it's okay. I got these from Ego Shoes and I'm going to have it linked down below for probably less than $20, okay? And then also a moment for my ear stack. I love it. It'll also be linked. It'll also be linked. But let's get into the luxury haul. Let's start off with shoes. First pair of shoes that I have to show you guys, first and only pair of shoes actually, are from Bottega. What prompted this shopping trip is actually that I am going away with my friends. I almost told you guys where we're going. I'm not going to reveal where we're going until we're there, until you actually see the vlog of when I'm back. But we are planning to go somewhere over the summer. And, you know, that was my excuse to go shopping anyway. But I really don't need an excuse. But that was the excuse I told my man as to why I needed to spend some money. But let's get into the packaging. We all know they always do super, super nice packaging. I love Bottega green. I really, really love it. What is this like? It's called like parakeet, right? It is called parakeet. I got a pair of stretch sandals. Have I worn the shoes already? Yes, you actually probably, if you're keeping up with my channel, I've actually worn these shoes to my baby nephew's christening. But these are the stretch sandals that I got. It kind of has this gold chain that wraps around your ankle, so it almost looks like you have an anklet on. I love them. They look so cute and dainty. And immediately when I saw and got these shoes, I was like, ooh, we need a nude handbag, because if you see behind me, I don't really have a nude handbag that would go with these. A moment for these shoes. They're very cute. They're so comfortable. I got so many compliments on these shoes, and what I love about it, like I said, I wore this to my nephew's christening. These shoes I feel like can be dressed up or dressed down. I've seen girl wear these shoes with sweatpants. I wore them to church for his christening with a like dress. It looked good. I also can see myself wearing these like with some denim shorts and like with like a, what is it called? Like a white marina? That's not what it's called. We call them marinas. What do Americans say? A wife beater. A wife beater. Imagine a wife beater with tons and tons of gold jewelry. I actually think like how gaudy my jewelry is right now would look dope with it too. And then these, you can't tell me that's not gonna be cute. And especially on a vacation, like that's probably a look that I'm gonna probably execute on vacation. But that's the first item. So let's move on. The second item, again, if you are keeping up with my channel, I did her own unboxing video already. This is the Pochette Matisse like wallet, no, belt, waist bag, something like that, along those lines. I have not worn this out yet, but I cannot wait to wear her. I love this. I love, love, love all of the multicolor. Like I said, if you are familiar with my channel, you already saw the unboxing for this. I gave her a dedicated one, but since I was shooting a collective haul, I was like, I might as well include her because I haven't worn her out yet. I'm saving her for the trip specifically, but she's cute. She has a gold chain. Look at the details in the flower. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And also in that video, I did some mod shots on other ways that you can wear this handbag. I'll have it linked up in the cards if you do want to see that unboxing. But this is almost like having 5 bags in one. You can do it as a shoulder bag, a wristlet, wear it as a waist bag as what it's advertised as. But you also can unloop it through the thread there and just wear the gold thing as a chain. You can do a shoulder bag, a clutch. It's literally 5 bags in one. And they actually make this in the denim and the regular monogram. Surprisingly, this was cheaper than the regular monogram. So I don't know if that was a glitch, a money glitch. I don't know. But I can't wait to wear this for summer. That's already 2 items down. And I feel like I'm moving very, very quickly. Calm down, Liana. But the thing is, when I get to talking about luxury, I get so excited. I could talk about these things all day, every day. If I had, like, you know how they say, oh, money can't buy happiness? I'll be quiet when they say that. I'll be very, very quiet when they say that, because I don't want to say it can buy happiness, but it damn sure can keep me content, because I will go shopping, okay? I know how to spend some money. Let's keep going. The next item I'm going to show you guys what's really a trip without new swimwear. So I did get a swimsuit from Versace, and this is my first swimsuit from Versace. No, actually I have a bikini. I have a black bikini, but this is the first time that they actually gave me like this swimsuit bag. Because it's black and monochrome, it's a little hard to see, but it says it's embossed with the word Versace right there. I really like this because you can put your wet items in here and it not mess up, like, you know, whatever other bag that you're gonna have this in. I really like this. I ordered this from Saks because I got an email from Saks saying like they were having a super duper sale. Let me show you the swimsuit. She's so cute. It is pink and white. It's kind of like an ivory color. It's a little bit off-white, but it's pink. It just says Versace on the front. I really think this is cute. I want to wear this with like a pink sarong wrapped around my waist. Again, with some gold jewelry and a handbag that I want to show you guys. The only thing I will say, I'm going to discredit Versace, but it's like, unfortunately, this was also final sale when I bought it, so there was no returning it anyway. It's a little big. I have been working out and trying to lose weight, but it's kind of hard. Like, almost I have like imposter syndrome in my own body. It doesn't feel right for me yet to buy smaller clothes, if that makes sense. Like, I should have sized down, but I didn't because I was still scared. It's almost like the fat girl in me still thinks that she's fat, if that makes sense. But anyway, besides that, the material on this, I have cheaper swimsuits that feel more quality than this, to be honest. That I will say. It's still cute, and I'm going to wear it. Obviously, I already spent my money on it. But I really do have other swimsuits that cost far less that are better quality. And it has a deep cut in the back. It kind of looks cheeky, but I promise that it's really not cheeky. It's a full coverage bottom, and it has like just that deep plunge back. This was regular $5.95. I paid like $190 for it. So it was super cheap for what it is. It was cheap for what it is. But I do think that they could have given better quality for a $600 bathing suit. If I would have paid $600 for this, full price, it would have went back to the store. I would also wear this as a bodysuit. You know? Or maybe that's the Jamaican in me, because you know sometimes Jamaicans dress tacky. Oops. This is a Casablanca dress. This I got for 25% off. It's regular priced at $380. I got it for $285. I saw this dress maybe like, I'm gonna say like a month or two ago, and I told myself, I was actually waiting for Essence to have a sale, because Essence always has a sale. Essence is always having a sale. So I knew that I would find this dress eventually on sale. So that's what I was just waiting for. And I did. I got her 25% off. So she's not going to be everyone's cup of tea. I understand that. But it's pastels. Like, I love the pastel colors in this dress. It is a mini dress. And it does have, it almost kind of looks like the Diesel logo, to be honest, but it's Casablanca right there, also on the tag. I really like this, and my idea is to obviously wear it with sandals in the summertime, right? But I also have the white Leca Gold Balenciaga boots. I feel like I could see myself pairing it with the white boots, but then watch this. Like, I don't even have the dress on, but you can already tell, like, that's gonna give fly bitch. Like, you know? Excuse me. It's gonna be giving fly girl things, okay? I really like how this is gonna look together, and that's the idea that I have planned. So, I love this dress. I love that dress. Again, I contemplated, like, oof, that's kind of expensive for a cotton dress, but I really like it. I'm not gonna lie. And sometimes, listen, money comes and goes. So, I'm gonna buy whatever makes me happy. Yeah. Again, if you have been keeping up with my channel, I did tell you guys that there is a Chanel bag that I'm saving up for. I want it for my birthday at the end of the year. And I do still want a classic flap. I'm still just not going to deprive myself up until then of things that I want. Because we all know how Chanel works. Like, if you don't buy it when they release it, you might not get it. Sometimes you might not get it. And sometimes you'll just have to wait till it gets on the pre-loved market. But I knew I needed this bag for those shoes that I showed you guys. Anyway, Liana, please get into the handbag. We do have a Chanel bag. I've already worn the bag. I've already unboxed the bag. Again, if you keep up with my channel, you know the bag already. So, I've already unboxed her. I'm not gonna fake the unboxing for you guys. The dust bag is here, and then also, like, the ribbon is still here. The receipt is here. And I had the camellia. I stuck it onto the box. I stuck the camellia onto the box already. But this is the bag. And I actually wore the bag today. But I did leave on the sticker here. So now that the video is finally being filmed, let's take that sticker off. It is a Chanel Vanity in the nude color. There was a specific nude that I was looking for. I was searching the pre-loved market. I did see, like, I seen like a more terracotta nude where it had like red brick undertones. I didn't want that. And then I seen one that was damn near, I wouldn't call it white, but it was damn near like off-white. I didn't want that either. I wanted a true nude Chanel bag. When I seen this, I was like, oh, this is the one. It is perfect. This might have things in there because, like I said, this is the bag that I use, and I don't remember if I unpacked it. But you have the mirror right there, and you have 3 card slots back here. Right now, I just have the authenticity card in one of them. Yeah, she's packed right now. I have my little wallet here, gum, and chapstick, girl. But it also has that little slot right here for where you would put a lipstick. But yeah, and then, you know, obviously the CC at the bottom. Do I think that this is trendy? I don't know, because, you know, every brand is doing a vanity style handbag. I really don't know if it's super trendy or if it will stand the test of time. But when I buy things, I don't think of it as an investment piece. I just buy what I like. So even if a few seasons away where it's not in style anymore, I'm gonna still wear my bags. You know what I mean? So yeah, I mean, I bought a Neverfull for my birthday and people hate Neverfull. So with me, I buy what I like. It's crazy because I remember when I got my first Chanel bag, that was the boy bag right here. People used to say, like, you know, once you go Chanel, like, there is no going back. It's like addicting. And I'm starting to feel that because it's almost like, well, I don't want any other handbag brands. Hopefully you don't get that bad for me though. Okay guys, so that is all that I have for today's luxury haul. Like I said, I am going on a girls trip, and it's also getting warmer outside. When it does get warmer for me, I do tend to spend way more money. Like my fall winter wardrobe, there is no wardrobe. There is none. But when it comes to spring summer, she's shopping, and that wardrobe is stocked. That's why I can't even keep both season stuff in the closet. I have to do the swap out. I have to do fall winter, summer spring. It just, everything won't fit in there. And the thing is, I had a lot of space when it came to fall winter. There is no space in there for spring summer. So I shouldn't be buying anything more, but I will be. So I hope that you did enjoy today's little haul. I'm excited for what else I'm going to be adding to the collection. I have my eye on a few things. My antennas are raised, but I'll be sure to share them with you if I do get anything else, of course. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. Share the video with someone else who needs to find my channel, because what? We have fun over here. And if you are not tired of seeing my face, I'll leave a link to another video here on the screen. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye. I love you.